have a look at this channel. With just 15 videos, it has already gained 24,000 subscribers. The surprising part is that they started this channel just a month ago and already have more than 5 million total views. When I checked their earnings on Social Blade, they are making over $16,000 per month. That's huge for a new channel. So in this video, you'll learn how to create videos like this. To create these AI car restoration videos, you need a master prompt, which I'll give you if you comment the word prompt. From that master prompt, copy the analyze prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then take screenshots of their videos along with their video titles so ChatGPT can understand everything. Upload those images to ChatGPT and it will analyze everything. After that, copy the topic prompt from the master prompt document and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate 10 highly viral topic ideas for your video. From those, pick the one you like the most. Now copy the scene prompt and give it to ChatGPT. Paste the topic you selected and submit it. ChatGPT will start providing scene breakdowns. However, this alone won't work for our videos. We also need image prompts and video prompts to create those amazing car restoration videos. For that, go back to the prompt document, copy the image prompt, and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate image prompts for each scene. As you can see, it gave me 12 image prompts. Now we need to generate images using these prompts with any image generation tool that allows you to upload a start frame image and an end frame image, because this is very important for this video. I used Google Gemini for this. First, I copied the first image prompt from ChatGPT and gave it to Gemini. It generated an amazing image for the first scene. Next, I uploaded that first image into Gemini and pasted the second image prompt from ChatGPT. Gemini then generated the second image. After that, repeat the same process to generate all the images. For example, I uploaded the second image and pasted the third image prompt, and Gemini generated the third image. Like this, I generated all the images for the video. Now it's time to bring those visuals to motion. For this, I'll use Google Labs Flow, but you can use any tool you're comfortable with. Open Flow, click on Create New Project, select the aspect ratio, choose the model. I'll select Veo Fast, and then choose the number of outputs. I'll keep it at 1. To generate the videos, we need proper video prompts. To get those, go back to the prompt document, copy the video prompt, and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate video prompts for the images it created earlier. Now copy the first video prompt. Go back to Google Flow, upload the first image as the start frame, and the second image as the end frame. Paste the video prompt and click Generate. Within a few minutes, you'll see the result, and as you can see, it looks amazing. Next, upload the second image as the start frame and the third image as the end frame. Copy the second transition prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and generate the second video. Follow the same process until all the videos are generated one by one. Once all the videos are ready, it's time to assemble them into a single video using a video editor. I'll use CapCut, but you can use any editor you like because there's nothing major left to edit. Everything is already done by free AI tools. Import all the videos into CapCut. Drag the clips onto the timeline in sequence and play the video. If any cuts are needed, make them to improve the flow. After that, adjust the clips so they fit the frame properly and the Veo watermark disappears. Once everything looks perfect, export the video. So guys, this is the complete step-by-step tutorial to create viral AI car restoration videos. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. And don't forget to comment the word prompt to get the master prompt document link. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!